We already know that exclamation marks are used to end exclamations, and that, just like full stops, they end sentences. We also know that speech may be written as direct speech through the use of speech marks, or as indirect speech. Let's now dig a little deeper as we learn how to use exclamation marks with direct speech. Take for example this quote from Ben. "How exciting! I just won the lottery!" If we were to write this as direct speech, we would be writing exactly what he said, which included an exclamation. So we might write, "How exciting! I just won the lottery!" shouted Ben. Or, "How exciting!" Ben shouted. "I just won the lottery!" In both cases, we keep the exclamation mark, and it's placed within the inverted commas. This is because Ben spoke an exclamation. He said something with a strong emotion. It's important, therefore, that the exclamation mark is placed within the inverted commas, as it's part of the quote. Notice how the exclamation mark is kept even when it's followed by a closing inverted comma. This is different to full stops, which are turned into commas. You can watch lesson 283 to learn more about why this has happened. So, when punctuating speech, include any exclamation marks that tell us how the speaker spoke. Include them as part of the quote, placing them within the inverted commas. Unlike full stops that may be turned into commas when writing direct speech, exclamation marks are not changed.